Welcome to Home of Tastes Veg Recipes. Today, let's see how to make mulkas from jackfruit. Soak dosa rice for 2 to 3 hours and grind it to a fine paste by adding salt per taste. Make sure the consistency of the batter is thick. In a pan, take jaggery pieces, add half a glass of water and boil them. When the jaggery dissolves completely, add jackfruit paste into it. You can make fine paste of jackfruit or chop into smaller pieces and pressure cook for 1 whistle. Mix them well and sort them till you get some thick consistency. Allow it to cool and then transfer it to the bowl which has the batter of rice. Make sure after mixing them you get a thick consistency of the batter. If the consistency of your batter is not thick, then you can add grated coconut or all-purpose flour or rice flour. Mix them well. When the consistency of the batter is thick, make equal balls and put it into the oil and deep fry them until you get golden brown. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video and haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for your notifications.